Alright, this is Adam, and today I'm going to be showing you guys Rockband, and I am using Screencast-O-Matic for this screencast. So right now I got a backtrack, I got a rhythm that I recorded. I am using a 69 reissue thin line Telecaster. I am plugged into an M Audio preamp, which is plugged into my Mac. So, yep, I have the audio track set down to set to the left, and then what I record here is going to come out the right. So it's going to have a cool stereo effect. So let's see if I can actually record something this time. All right. Okay. All right. Here we go. Not that great, but hey, that's pretty much it. So, yep. Let's play back. Alright, so, yep, sounds good. I hope you guys could hear it on your end, so I'm going to play it back, and yeah, if it sounds good, I'll submit this. So, bye. Thanks for joining me.